All right, what's up, everybody? This is Tony with Shutter Junkies Retrograde Photography, and we got something in the mail today, and I've got my two assistants who are going to help me get it unboxed. Are y'all ready to help? There's a lot of unboxing videos about the Canon R5 out there, but this is going to be the very first one that involves toddlers. Okay, here we go. Y'all ready? This is a sharp knife. We don't touch the knives, right? Okay, here we go. What's inside?
It's yours.
It's mine? Okay, maybe it is.
That's mine.
That's yours? Okay, watch out. Let's cut it open. Okay, here we go.
From mine.
Okay, are y'all ready? By the way, we ordered this from B&H back at the very beginning of August. It is October 26th, and it just now got here.
Daddy.
Yeah. What? What's inside the box? Let's find out.
It's fun.
Okay, kids, grab it. What's in there? Bubbles. Oh, here's the good stuff. It says R. All right, can y'all get this box out? Ellie, help me. Okay. Shake it. Uh-oh, something's stuck. Shake it. Okay. Now, we don't want that back. Throw it down. All right, what's this, guys?
That's the number.
Okay, it's a number. It says R on the front. It's got EOS R5 on the front. R on the top. It's got some info on the
I
side.
want to play with the bubble.
Okay, you can play with the bubbles. Are you leaving us? Oh, well, there's one of my assistants done. Both of my assistants done. So we're going to pop this open and see what we got inside. Warranty card. Imagine Canon, image Canon. A super, look how thick that is. That's a thick book. What's in that book?
Oh, yeah, that's mine.
That's his book. We've got our battery, battery charger, and a USB-C cable.
Oh, I like that.
You like it? Some sort of bracket with it also.
I want those batteries.
Kind of cool. Is that a cool battery? All right, here we go. We're gonna. Okay, you can hold that. Here's this plastic thing. Wait, not yet, sister. All right, you get a strap. This is a really thin. I guess because it's not a DSLR, it's a. Oh, Ellie already grabbed the camera. Really thin strap.
I opened it.
Oh no. You want to open it out of the bag? This is the fun you get to have when you unbox with toddlers. Somebody's going to cry. And here we have the EOS R5.
That's the picture.
This is for pictures? Huh.
Oh, here you go.
Okay. All right, guys, we've got it unboxed. Let's tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Bye. We're going to charge this up, and we'll be doing some testing and some reviews later. Thanks for tuning in, guys.